a diva. I'm 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 a diva.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good today. Hope you're all feeling vibrant and happy like I am right now, even though my eyes are watering. But yes, people, welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new, I want to say hello to you. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you won't be disappointed for future videos. You know, it's Diva, of course. Come on. What is wrong with me? I actually feel myself. I meant to be filming his checking at myself. But yes, people, today's video is going to be a mini makeup haul from Beauty Bay. I only bought like 5 products, but I'd like to give my, my own opinion on, what I thought it's like, or if I haven't tried it already, and just advise you guys, maybe you want to buy it, who knows. So here it goes. So here's the packaging that the stuff came in, if you guys can see it. And it doesn't even take that long to come here. I think it takes like, it's about 3 days and a standard delivery. So yeah, come in this cute box anyway. So I want to reveal what products I got and to show you what it looks like, babies. Guys, please, but I'm literally feeling so happy today. Like, come on. Can you not sense the happiness? Can you not sense it? Anyway, let me get into this. Right, guys, this is the first product from that box. This is the Zulu by Juvia. This is Juvia's Place palette. If you don't know about her, she has a range of like eyeshadows, foundations, concealers, like, she's known for it to be like the #1 world's most highly pigmented eyeshadow. I do have her other eyeshadows. I have not tried this yet. Guys, I'm trying to open this. I have not tried this yet. And I would just like, oh god, okay, I'm always making a mess of things, to show you what it looks like. So here it is. I don't want to drop this box. Here it is. This is what it looks like. And it has a plastic film in there to protect your eyeshadow. It has 12 colors here, and you actually usually do have names in there, but I didn't realize they don't have any names in it this time. But anyway, this is the Juvia face palette with the Zulu, and obviously I bought this because I felt like I needed more, colors of foundation. What am I talking about, foundation? Sorry, that's up next. Sorry, I needed like more bright color eyeshadows because I'm normally like a neutral person. So if you guys have gathered from my videos, I just like to wear like, I don't know, eyeshadow or like golden browns. But I thought, this will be out of my comfort zone. And like I said, they are very good eyeshadows. I don't have to even try this, but I have other palettes and they blend super well. Like when I mean they blend good, they blend so good. And like I said, you don't have to put that much on the brush for it to pop. Obviously use like a good eye primer on your eye before using this, but I can never go wrong with this woman's eyeshadows. It's just wicked. Like this is like my #1 brand for eyeshadows. Like I said, obviously there must be other ones out there, but I haven't tried it yet. But this is one. Out of the other ones I've tried, this woman is the one. So yeah, guys, I may do like a little tutorial on this palette, so look out for future videos. Okay, here's another one by Juvia, and this is the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. I've always wanted this, so I thought why not buy it. By the way, the palette was that I showed you before was $19.50, and so is this. So like if your guys are on, I don't know, I feel like that's a okay budget to buy eyeshadows. If not, then got another one to show you if you want that. But yeah, this is the blush palette, and it comes with 6 of these colours. They all have names. So this is called Zara Neo. Actually, what happened to Neo? Leela Zane. Why even call a pink colour Zane? Isn't that a man's name? Anyway, Toby and Abby. So obviously I'm guessing like these 2 colours here, Zara and Leela, are maybe for a bit of highlighter when you do use one of these colours for blush. I don't think I would use this for a blush. I would use these 2 colours and maybe the orange, because I have mixed orange and brown before, and kind of past eyeshadow palette, it looks really, really good. And then put a bit of gold highlighter here. But yeah, I'm bound to try this. I haven't tried it yet, but like I said, I do not have a doubt with this woman. Okay, on to the next product, guys. This little box right here is the Nubian Loose Highlighter by Juvia again. This was £14.25 for this, and I have tried this, but I have to show you guys what this highlighter is saying, because it pops so much. I'm gonna come and open it. Yeah, it pops so much. This is what it looks like. That's the back of it, and this one is called Nefertiti. Nefertiti. I don't know, you guys, if you guys can see. That's what the front looks like. But I just want to show you. Don't know, this is all over me. What this looks like, because people, this actually bangs. I'm gonna put it on my finger and just show you on my skin what it looks like. Look at that, people. You guys can see it. This is actually popping. Popping. So yeah, I've never tried loose highlighter before, but I think I would prefer loose highlighter, because I feel like when I try highlighter on like a stagnant base, I feel like it's a bit, I don't know, it pops, but it's not popping. Well, other than Fenty highlighter, I feel like other ones are not really that good. So this one actually pops. I used it the other day, so I just got so excited. Whoop. Shoo. So yeah, people, need to head over to Beauty Bay to see what they're saying. Right, guys, the next product. Oh, I've got a double chin. Hide it. But yeah, people, the next video. What's on the next video? I mean, the next thing I have is these 2 foundations here, the Ordinary. And it is actually, I know you're thinking why it's so small, it's actually 30mm. I've used this in the past, but when it first came out and I lost it, and I thought, you know what, let's buy it again. It's only £5.25, and it is a high coverage foundation, so it says on the bottle, but I personally don't feel it is. I've actually got it on now, and I had to use like, I remember, bearing in mind I have nice skin, so I had to use like 2, like 1, 2 pumps. I have 2 because the colours, I wouldn't say they really match my skin, but they have like shades. So for example, like it will tell you, okay, this is 3.0Y. So that's for people who have yellow undertone. So normally I'm a yellow undertone person, but for some reason this is making me look white. So I had to get the 3.0R, which means red undertone, which says medium dark red undertones. This one says yellow undertones. So I just mixed the 2 together. Like I said, this is like a, I don't know, an everyday, I don't know, makeup if you want to wear to work, or like a quick catch up with your friends. I wouldn't personally wear this for going out, but it will do. Like I got it on now. I don't know if you guys can see, but obviously I've put my powder on top, like everything goes up, so this covers it. But I would recommend it being £5.25. Like, why not? Like, you can't go wrong. Just make sure you know your undertones, and I would say I don't think one will like fit to your skin. I feel like buy two. So buy both. Or if you're not sure, just look at other reviews or compare with other foundations. But yeah, I recommend those to you. The Revolution, it's called Maxi Reloaded Palette. This was £15 on Beauty Bay. Come on, like you've got 45 colours there, people. Like literally. And come on, you can't go wrong with that. This is what it looks like. I've used this actually. This is what I actually have on my eye right now. Like I said, I'm a type of person, I have different makeups or different brands for certain things depending on how it is and this pigment and whatnot. This obviously I would say is like a, I wouldn't say medium, but I wouldn't say high pigmented, but it just depends if you use a good base. But obviously I use, I think I use this colour. Start off with my eyeshadow, and I think I use this and this gold here. So yeah, like you can't really go wrong, you know, with these colours. But yeah, as you can see, it looks okay. Like I won't say anything wrong with the eyeshadow. I didn't put any eyelashes on today. You know, sometimes not every day wear eyelashes, no lashes. It is what it is. But yes, people. So obviously I bought those 5 products from Beauty Bay, and like I said, I'm the type of person, like, you know, I just buy makeup whenever I feel like buying makeup, I just buy it. It wasn't for anything specific. I just see things and I just buy it. But if you want to have a look, just head over to the website, and they have a different range of brands on there. And just like everything on there, brushes, foundations, a lot, you name it. But yeah, that was my mini makeup haul. I want to show what I bought, or what should I say, I wanted to share with you guys. I hope, I'm always hoping, I'm always saying to you guys, I hope. Listen, you have to like it. Like, it's giving you information about good products. Like, you're locked into me to know what's good and what's not good. You know, it's my opinion. But yes, people, I would just like to say, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you like me more, subscribe to my channel. Press that button, people. Press it. It's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna pinch you. It's not gonna bite you. And yeah, I shall see you on my next video. Should I start singing? This is my little outro tune. I shall see you on my next video. Ooh. On my next video, ayy. On my next video, ooh, ooh. On my next, ayy. On my next video, ooh. Okay, people, I'm just making up just so much noise. I'm just bored. But yes, people, bye, and I shall see you soon. Love you all.